Are you finding it hard to get your ewedu slimy and well cooked? This recipe is for you. Today I'll be showing you how to cook ewedu soup. This recipe is very easy to make. Hi, my name is Jumi. I make food videos on my channel. Do well to subscribe and like this video. So I have my ewedu leaves well washed. I have the locust beans. I'll be using some crayfish and 1 seasoning cube for this recipe. So I'll set my pot on fire and pour in a cup of water. The water you add depends on the quantity of ewedu leaves you'll be using. I'll also be using potash. I use baking soda sometimes, but I'll be using potash for this recipe. So after adding enough potash, I'm going to transfer the ewedu leaf into the water. So I realized the water was not enough, so I added a bit of water. So I'm going to allow these leaves to boil for like 5 to 7 minutes. The potash I added is going to make the leaf soft. Make sure you add enough quantity of potash, and if you add too much quantity of potash, it's going to make your ewedu black. So it's better to get your measurement right. So after the leaf is getting soft, I'm going to add my other ingredients. I added the seasoning cube, the locust beans, and the crayfish to this. I'm adding it so that it can cook well with the ewedu and the flavor can infuse together. I'm going to allow this to cook for a few more minutes till the ewedu is soft enough to be blended. I'll be using my blender for this recipe. You can also use the broom called ijabe. If I get a picture of ijabe, I'm going to paste it somewhere on the screen for you to see. But I feel blender makes my cooking faster, so I prefer to use the blender. So now I'm transferring my cooked ewedu into my blender. So I'll be using the pause button of my blender to blend the ewedu. I won't use the blend button. Use your pause button. You turn on the pause button, then you stop it. You turn it on, you stop it, because you don't want your ewedu to be very smooth. So this is the consistency I'm going for after blending with my pause button. You can see this ewedu is ready. It has the crayfish, it has locust beans, everything is good. You realize that I didn't add salt to the ewedu. I didn't add salt because my locust beans has salt in it already. So if I add more salt, it's going to get the ewedu to be too salty. So now I'm just going to turn on the heat and let it heat up a bit. Then I'm going to turn off the heat. Now the ewedu is ready, very slimy, yummy, tasty, and all that good stuff. I hope you try this recipe and get your ewedu cooking right. Thanks for watching. Please like, drop me a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. Till I come your way next time, stay safe. Bye.